This week I'm testing the Genesis GV70, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is 3 Infrasecure child seats fit across the rear seats of the Genesis GV70. I installed the Infrasecure Attain More and Achieve More and a compressor as well. To learn more about the child seats I used in this review, just click on the link here. Number 2 is the boot of the GV70 is a really good size and it will hold a twin stroller in the boot. Number 3 is how wonderful the GV70 is to drive. It's completely effortless, kind of relaxing, cocoon from the outside noise, but also really sporty if you want it to be. I have loved driving the GV70 with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.